Welcome to American Baker in Germany, where the ingredients are German and the baker is American. I'm Michelle, and today we are making a red, white, and blue cake for the 4th of July. And I just decided I really wanted to do a lot of really fun piping and just use the colors to make it more 4th of July. So let's get started. I started out frosting a 6-inch cake dummy with vegan American buttercream. And I cleaned up the cake board. I had red, white, and blue buttercream in piping bags with both star tips and small round tips. I piped a shell border along the bottom with red. And I piped some swirls along the top of the cake. And smaller blue swirls between the red swirls. Then I piped a single blue shell pointing down along the side, and I piped a red star beneath the blue shells. And I piped some white stars along the bottom border. I piped some drop lines with the points meeting above the blue shell. I used each of the 3 colors. Then I covered the points of the drop lines with the white shell. I added some more swirls along the top of the cake in red and blue. And I added some smaller swirls in white. Then I piped a star border along the edge of the cake, alternating all 3 colors. This took the longest time. Then I added some more stars along the side. Finally, I added some silver dragées to the top of the swirls. I think this cake turned out lovely. I can't resist some gorgeous old-fashioned piping. Happy Independence Day! For more cakes and recipes, visit our website at AmericanBakerInGermany.com. We're also on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. Subscribe for a new cake every week. Hit the notification bell to be the first to know when we upload a new video.